This is the motor that won the 2020 Mega Cash Days.
Why are you looking at me? Do it again.
Welcome everyone. Today we have something really cool for you guys. For those of you who watch Discovery Channel, the Street Outlaws, today we have an engine that you might have heard of. It's none other than BFJ. He won the 2020 No Prep Kings Mega Cash Days, and this is the engine that kind of shocked the world. Here it is. So we're on deck with CSM Racer Lant.
All right, so you got a small block Chevy, symmetrical port cylinder head. It's a Brodix BD 2000. It's 421 cubic inches. It's about as reliable as it comes in a race motor. This thing has 100 passes on it, and it is here just for a freshen up. So we're gonna crack into this thing and see what we got here and get it ready to go back in the Mustang.
You know, since the last video that we did back in the early spring before the No Prep Kings 2021 season that just completed here lately, and we had Brandon and Shannon James, we got a chance to sit down and talk with them and sit here with Lance as he went over their new engine program for their new car. And just since that video, I've seen a lot of response, a lot of comments. You guys have had positive comments, and you guys, I think you guys missed the Mustang. You guys missed the nag in the Mustang. It was, you know how everyone, you recognize a certain player with a certain team. It kind of felt like you guys were used to seeing, you know, your favorite racer or just a racer that you guys liked with a certain car and a certain engine. So here this is, and I'll drop that. I'll link that video in the description. The Solar Needs Racing gears up for 2021 No Prep Kings, and we were here back in, I think it was April, May, and at the time the Brad Anderson Hemi was being assembled. I'm just kind of, so this motor is going to get torn down right quick, and maybe we'll have some more stuff for it. Just where you are, that's all. Just fucking showing the
receiver grooves. Here's the head gasket. All right, take a look at this head gasket seal. Receiver groove. Here's the cylinder block side of the head gasket. It has VED flame hoops. And here they are. This thing's holding massive amounts of boost. Probably upwards of 50 pounds. Everything looks healthy. Looking good.
And here we are. So finally the motor's disassembled.
All right, we got 100 passes on this beast. And the bearings are looking pretty good. They're doing their job. Crank is in great shape. The only thing happened to this thing is the balancer came loose, so it needs a snout repair. Oliver rods, 625 bolts, King HP performance bearings. Thing's happy. It works and lives in a comfort zone. Cylinder heads look great. Pretty impressed with this thing making 2,600 horsepower and coming apart looking this good. So there you have it.
Thanks guys for tuning in. Again, it was a pleasure to be able to bring you this engine out of CSN, California Street Machine. To see this motor, this is a bad to the bone engine. So I just want you guys to see it. And for those who watch the channel, I appreciate the support. Smash that thumbs up button. We plan on bringing more cool content like this. Stay tuned.